Hello, tech enthusiast. You've come to the right place. At ADTS, we analyze everything that's coming onto the market, the latest and greatest in technology. Niche Mobility introduces revolutionary digital drivetrain for electric bicycles. The ADTS is an infinitely variable gear ratio system that completely eliminates the traditional mechanical connection between the pedals and the wheel. It replaces this with a series hybrid digital architecture, offering an electronically controlled transmission that instantly and seamlessly adapts to the cyclist's speed, terrain, slope, and power mode. This design provides continuous, smooth, friction-free, and maintenance-free assistance. Niche Mobility's key differentiator is this 100% digital architecture, which unifies pedaling, control, and traction into a single unit. Unlike competing automatic systems from brands like SRAM or Shimano, which still rely on a mechanical connection, the ADTS delivers a smoother, quieter, and lower maintenance riding experience. The company is strategically targeting the mid-range market, aiming to make automatic transmission technology accessible in e-bikes priced between, a significant reduction compared to premium models featuring competitive systems. Niche Mobility will supply its 3 motor models: Go, for city commuting; Go Plus, for longer/hilly routes; and the high-performance GO-X, offering 105 Nm of torque and a boost mode, to bicycle manufacturers. Core specs include a 4.2 kg motor, 80 km range, 450 Wh to 650 Wh battery, regenerative braking, and advanced anti-theft features. Following successful endurance testing, Niche Mobility is currently in the industrialization phase and plans to begin commercializing the GO motors by the end of 2026. If you like being at the forefront, subscribe and join our community. Activate the bell and don't miss a single update.